Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to prepare Sindhi fried potatoes. This is an breakfast special recipe, so watch it till the end. So let's get started. The ingredients I am using here include red chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, kalonji, green chilies, and green coriander, potatoes and chopped tomatoes. Now take a karahi and put some oil in it. Then add all those potatoes in that oil, and then keep frying until they get tender. Also add some salt according to rule for better taste. Keep frying. Now close the lid and leave it for about 5 minutes. After opening the lid, add coriander powder and kalonji, turmeric, and then mix them all. When potatoes get partially tender, then add the chopped tomatoes. After some time of frying, you can see that both the tomatoes and potatoes have get soft and cooked, but still there is a room for some more cooking, so we will cook them for some more time. Here, you can see that by this time they have been cooked properly, so now we will add some more masalas, and then we will be done with it. So here, we have added red chili powder, and then we will add green chilies. Then mix it and close the lid and leave it for some more time as the last step. Now open the lid and stir it well. Now our dish is properly ready, so now we will add some toppings. Here I am adding green coriander leaves cut into simple pieces. And now just dish it out. I hope that you must have liked this recipe, so hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more such amazing recipes. See you all in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching at Noor Kitchenette.